In this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how to create this abstract, swirling, geometric polygon line art in Affinity. So let's get started. I've already got my new document ready right here, and I'm working in Vector Studio. Now I'm gonna change the page color to white, so I'm gonna go to Pixel and select New Fill Layer. The fill layer is added, and I'll change the color to white. Now I'm gonna grab the Polygon tool and draw a small polygon. I leave its size to 5. Change its fill color to none. Leave the stroke color to black. And change the width to 0.5 point. Now with the polygon still selected, I'm gonna press enter on my keyboard to bring out the move/duplicate tool. Then on the rotation, I'll change it to 5 degrees. Change the scale to 105% and check duplicate. Now on number of copies, I'm gonna click the small arrow and slide it to the right to duplicate. If you're wondering why you're not seeing the lines outside of the page, it's because you have Clip to Canvas enabled. To unhide them, you can just go to View and click to disable Clip to Canvas. Now you can see them. But I prefer to hide them, so I'm gonna go to View and enable Clip to Canvas again. Now I'm gonna reduce the number of copies. 70 should be enough. You can add more or reduce them if you like. Now that everything is done, I'll click OK. Let me grab the Move tool, select them all, and move them to center. Okay, now you can see there are a lot of layers and I want to join them into one layer only. So I'll select them all. Then I'll go to Vector and click Merge Curves. Now they are merged into one layer only. I can change the stroke width, but I think it looks better at 0.5 point. So I'll change it back. Now I'm going to swap this around so the lines goes white and the background goes black. So I'll select the fill layer and change it to black. Now I'll select the polylines layer and change it to white. I think it looks better now. Let's increase the size a little. I can change the line's color. I can also switch to gradient color. Change this to another color. Purple is nice. Then I'll select the fill tool. Change the context right here at the top to stroke and change type to radial. Now I'll move the gradient path, one gradient stop to the center and the other one to the edge. It looks good. Now I'd like to add another color between purple and red. Maybe yellow with a bit of orange. That looks great. So that's all about it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and bye.